pottery kiln isn't that different to the type of oven you might have in your kitchen, but it can go to 1000 degrees C hotter. The reason for this difference isn't necessarily that the kiln's putting in more energy, although it probably is putting in a little more energy, but it's due to the insulation. Kilns are essentially boxes designed to trap as much heat as possible and hold on to it for as long as possible, meaning that over the course of many hours, the inside of the kiln can go from room temperature to typically around 12 to 1300 degrees C, drawing such an unremarkable amount of electrical power that it can be run off a standard UK 3-pin plug, which is the same amount of power that a lot of our kettles use. The structure of an electric kiln is quite simple. It's a very well insulated box with heating elements set in the walls. There is some sort of control system to determine when the elements are turned on and off to control the speed at which the kiln heats up. There are various low-tech ways of doing this, but modern kilns will use a thermocouple connected to a computer which uses relays to toggle on and off the heating elements to precisely control the rate of heating. Modern kilns will typically have numerous safety features to make sure that if the kiln fails, it fails off rather than getting stuck on. This is important because a kiln is physically capable of exceeding its maximum temperature by hundreds of degrees, and if you fire a clay hundreds of degrees hotter than it's intended to be fired, it can melt completely. If you'd like to see examples of this, the Ceramic Casualties Instagram page has quite a few examples.